Alright guys, just got done breaking down all 3 pallets. Go over some of the product. Whole bunch of single shots. Cross sets. I really like this one, the Halloween to Brocade. This one's gonna be an all pink section. That's what I got those for. These are all salutes. Thunder King 100 shots. 1.2 inch bores. So are these ones. I really like these ones too, but those were the last 3. I got the last 3. 5 cases of Instant. Pack 3-1. These ones are nice. Yeah, I want to test this out and see how these look. It's got 4 salutes in the end. 4 cases of those. Some 2-inch. I can't wait for this cake. 300 shot. Must-haves. More 2-inch. And then start the slices. More slices. Plug your ears. Or red, white, and blue. Some 2-inch slices. Red, white, and blues. And some more stuff over here. That's pretty much it on my RKM order. I have all that over there. Stacked up. Jeez. Rockets, miscellaneous stuff. I'll show you